Hello, my name is Cora Carter, and I am an Agriculture and Natural Resources Extension Educator for Purdue Extension in Bartholomew County, Indiana, and I want to welcome you today to Excel Basics on the Farm, Lesson 3, Functions. The first thing I want you to do is to open the Excel spreadsheet associated with this lesson. You should see the Dairy Expenses sheet. On the Dairy Expenses sheet, we see a list of 4 months of expenses for a 125-cow dairy farm. Let's find out what the total expenses were for the month of January. Scroll to the bottom of January and highlight the row with the first February expense. Right-click on the number 17 next to the first February expense and click Insert. A row will appear between January and February. Insert a second row. Make the bottom of the last January expense have a bottom border. Now click on the box in column C below the last January expense. Insert the sum function by typing equals, capital SUM, then parentheses. Now you can click on the top number and drag to the bottom number. This will be C2 through C16. Make sure you close the parentheses. Now press Enter. This box is now a function that sums the entire column of C above it. Please pause this video to complete the questions on your worksheet. Go ahead and get the sums for all 4 months. On the Dairy Receipts page, we have income over the same time period. Pause this video to complete the questions on your worksheet. Create a new sheet at the bottom of the page. Title this sheet Finances by double-clicking on the title, Sheet 1. Add some new headers, month, expenses, income, and profit, loss. This time, we will just enter the numbers we gathered above. Input each month, expenses, and income. Make sure you paste the number and not the formula if you are copying and pasting these numbers over. Calculate profit or loss by entering the following formula. Formulas are created in Excel by using the equals sign and a set of parentheses. You can enter the formula again if you would like. Equals sign, parentheses. Now you can also click on the box C3 minus B3. Make sure you close your parentheses, then press Enter. You can copy this formula down for each month by clicking on the box to highlight it. Now hover your cursor over the small square in the bottom right of the cell. The cursor should change to a dark plus sign. Now click and drag down the column to copy the formula. Format the numbers in the profit-loss column to be currency, profit-loss. Highlight the whole profit-loss column. On the Home tab, select the drop-down Conditional Formatting. Highlight Cell Rules, then Greater Than. Make this format cells that are greater than 0 with green fill with dark green text. Repeat and select Less Than. Format cells that are less than 0 with light red fill with dark red text. Now it is simple to see which months are in the red, so to speak. Make sure you take the time to finish the questions on the worksheet after this video has completed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time for Purdue Extension Excel Basics.